Well, what is precision astronomy? Now, we are all interested about astronomy and astrophysics, and we are very much looking forward to learn and take it up as a career. But what exactly is precision astronomy? Well, that would be the highlight of this month's podcast, which is happening on the 28th of April, starting 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Dr. Julia Campa, a professor and a researcher on astrophysics, astronomy, and precision astronomy, would be joining on my channel, which will start at 8 p.m. and she would be logging in from Spain. Both a professor and a researcher, I think this would be a brilliant time and a brilliant discussion to engage, where you can clarify, learn more about your career, and also what are the recent advancement in terms of telescopes and precision astronomy which is taking place. So right on the screen, few highlights of Dr. Julia. As you can see, she is already a professor and a researcher into this field. She has done her master's and PhD from the University of Barcelona. Her PhD also includes studies which included galaxy clusters as a cosmological probe to study the expanding of the universe. She also worked as a collaborator of the Cosmic Physics Center at Fermilab to carry out researches in astrophysics cosmology with the Astroskipper CCD. She was actually at Fermilab as a visiting scientist working on dark energy camera, and when I talked to Dr. Julia, she is an extremely busy professor and a researcher, as you understand. I found her brilliant. I mean to say, in terms of acceptance of this podcast, in terms of answering the questions for the subscribers, she is very good. I mean to say, she is brilliant. And not only that, once she comes, it is a good opportunity for you, me, and all of us to clarify doubts and know more about astrophysics and specifically precision astronomy. So these, I am, to be very honest, devices which actually captures the movement of celestial movement, etc. She is a wonderful person on that. So marking the date again, 28th of March, right on the channel Physics for Students with Dr. Julia Campa. I will be there and we would engage in a wonderful and an engaging discussion. The good part of this is that, as I told you, you can clarify your doubts and we can know a lot about the I would say future advancements and the current advancement in terms of technology, how astrophysics and astronomy is going to move forward. As she has been working at Fermilab and various other well-reputed universities, she can explain. I am honored, Physics for Students is honored, and I think this is an excellent opportunity for all of us to learn from Dr. Julia and enhance our knowledge, clear our doubts, and engage into a wonderful discussion. So I hope you will all be there, because you have been very supportive in engaging the discussions, participating and asking wonderful questions which makes the guest speaker feel comfortable. Dr. Julia is one of the scholars. I have gone through her papers. She is excellent. She has done a lot of research, very friendly and hugely knowledgeable, almost like an encyclopedia. So you can ask any amount of questions and let us make this podcast engaging. She will be logging in from Spain, which would be 4:30 p.m. her time, and it would be 8 p.m. evening Indian Standard Time on Physics for Students, starting 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Thank you very much.